Bonk's done nearly 3,000%. Its market cap is growing and growing and growing, and it keeps absolutely smashing through all the ceilings that it's given. It's in price discovery. Is it too late to enter? I'm going to show you my key levels. In this video, it's not just going to be about Bonk. It's going to be about the state of the market. We need to analyze the market in different areas to find out whether we think that the meme coins can continue running, whether we think that the crypto market can continue running in the short term. So what we're going to do is look at the total three first, which is the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, why is this important and why do we exclude Bitcoin and Ethereum? Because they are the market leaders. You take them out and then you compare the total crypto market cap. And if the crypto market cap's running, that means the alts are outweighing Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's what we're looking for, is a strong total three. And you can see this resistance level was the key area that we needed to break and close above. We've actually managed to do that. So that's showing strength. And also the stochastic RSI's come up and it's coming back down and it's entering oversold. So whilst price is pushing all the way up here, it's pulling back, the stochastic's coming back, it's creating a higher low, whilst the stochastic's coming back into an oversold region. So that's what we're looking for in the stochastic. We want to pull back and an uptick and find out where that takes us. So a move to the upside, this needs to hold as support, it was previous resistance, and then we can see confidence in the altcoins and an alt rally on the back of that. The second metric is going to be the USDT dominance. Now, change your mindset and have a little think, take a step back and realize what is USDT dominance. So it's the dominance in the crypto market cap, and it's currently sitting at 5.87%. If you see a downtick in USDT dominance, you'll see an uptick in total and the crypto market cap usually. So they do correlate with each other, and we can get clues from looking at both of these. And this is the key area that we needed to hold. That was the previous low, and that's where we're testing now. So what we want on this is a pullback. We want to break through this previous support level. We want that to act as resistance and start continuing to the downside. And what that's going to allow is a push up on the altcoins. So that's what we can assess. That's what we can monitor over the next few days. And that's something that's going to play out with Bonk. So as far as Bonk's concerned, what I want to show you guys is Elliot wave. So with Elliot wave, you get 5 waves to the upside, and then you get an ABC correction in a strong trend. So what we can do is we can assess the 5 waves. There's wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So that would say that this move is completed. But what that does is it gives us opportunities to know when this is going to pull back. So I want to just assess to identify how strong this trend is, how big are these moves, because what you want is for a strong wave 5 to the upside, you want the wave 3 to be larger than the wave 1, and you tend to get an extended wave 5. So what we can do is measure it with the Fibonacci extension tool from the low to the top of wave 1, and then pull that back to the low, and you can see the 2618. So this was a strong move up to the 2618, and look how this reacted to the 2618. These numbers are powerful, guys. These numbers are powerful. So what you'd expect is to rinse and repeat that for wave 4 and 5, and what we can do is pull back the extension, and we're doing it from the bottom of this move to the top of this move, and let's see where that takes us. 2618, guys. Look at this. It's powerful stuff. It's powerful stuff. So we've hit the 2618, right? We've had a 5 wave to the upside. What we need now is an ABC correction. So that's something that looks a little bit like this. Pull back, and there. So if this support level holds on the pullback, then that's going to be a good entry. But what we can do is just stick our simple Fibonacci retracement tool from this previous low up to that high, and then look back to find out where our 618 extension is. Personally, I think this is probably likely to come back and test the 786, because that coincides with this previous resistance, which is now, you'd expect to flip support. So that number is sitting at 147050. So that's where I'm expecting price to come back to. I'm expecting the stochastic to come back into oversold as this happens. And then if we get a reaction at this previous resistance flip support, then I'm looking at laddering my entry in. And the reason why I'm laddering my entry in is I don't want all my eggs in one basket at any one time. So this is the importance of risk management. And just as an example, this thing has absolutely smashed it. It's run 5,000%, guys. It's run over 5,000% from its bottom to its top. It's pulled back now, of course, and this is how I'm looking to accumulate. So if price pulls back here, if the stochastic pulls back into this area here, and if price reacts at this level and starts making a base, This is the area that I'd be accumulating. And this previous low would be the area where I'm putting my stops. So the area I'm putting my stops would be about 75015. And that just protects you if the market reverses and does something like this. This means that your stops are hit and you can get a better entry further down. So that's the importance of risk management. That's the importance of stops. So remember this meme coins run. We want the ABC correction. We want to see where price action reacts once we've had the ABC correction, and then we can reassess, analyze, and I'll bring you more videos as to what I'm doing. So make sure you do subscribe to the channel because you'll know exactly when I bring out my next bonk video. And we've been talking about Pepe on the channel too. We've been waiting and waiting and waiting. We've been tracking this breakout. It's right at the breakout line now. So check out my video on Pepe as to what I'm doing on there. And I will see you guys in the next one.